Hi friends, today I am sharing a trick for new C# learners. As you can see, you can evaluate your Python, Julia, JavaScript and Java code using terminal on the fly. So let's look at that. For JavaScript, we can just use node REPL. So console.log and we can just print anything we want. So I'm just quitting this node REPL. Now let's just move into Julia. We have this Julia REPL shipped Julia, and we can use this print function to print a simple hello inside the terminal. So now I am actually quitting this Julia REPL. Exit. For Java we have JShell and for Python we have ideally, but for .NET we don't have a built-in feature like that. Today I'll show a workaround for that, so dive into that. I'm moving into my browser, so I have this page already opened. Don't worry, I will put the link inside the video description. So what I'm actually going to do, I will copy this code and run this inside my terminal. I already have installed this tool, so I don't want to install it once again. So once you have installed this, you can just type C# C# REPL, and boom, we are inside the C# REPL and we can compile our C# code. So let's just clear the terminal first. Clear. First of all, let's just do a console.writeline. Console dot. You can see we got the IntelliSense support inside the terminal for writing C# code. It's good. Let's just write a class, pub class human. Pub capitalize it, and I'm using a property. Let's just get set and public int age get set. So let's just create an instance for this human class. For human to new human, creating an instance. So don't you think it's cool? I got even more to share. So how about inside your Windows terminal and directly navigating to C# REPL, so you don't have to type C# REPL every single time you want to open this. It just works fine, as you can see. It's not an alternative to a full-fledged IT, but it's great for code evolution on the fly. So let's see how to get our C# REPL inside our Windows terminal like this. For that, I want to navigate to the settings and want to open my settings file, this JSON file, which I already have opened in my Visual Studio Code. So you can see we get all the profiles for our different tabs that I have available here. So what you have to do is, just after installing C# REPL, you want to put a profile inside this JSON file, and all you need to do is create a GUID and name and this command line property. That's it, and you will be good to go with your C# REPL. So enjoy.